So Falcor did not pee all night, and we're out in the garden and he still refuses to pee. So Falcor finally peed, and he actually peed indoors, but it's okay. He feels much more relieved now, and he started to relax. What is this? Jan, hello!
Here we go.
Nah.
What is it?
Falcor. Falcor. Nah. What are you doing? Huh? Uh-oh. You see? This is why. So Falcor pooed and peed indoors after hours of being outside earlier. So now, after his second meal, we're allowing him to go out again. Hopefully he'll do his business outside. Let's go, Falcor. No. Put channel. Happy days. Okay, that's fine. Pee. Come on, pee. Good boy. He peed in the garden now for the first time. Beef. Oh, he's smiling, huh? Oh, you like this, don't you? Wow. Okay, yeah, too excited. So it's been a pretty good first day. He's been sleeping quite a bit. He's been very relaxed. And yeah, he's just been a very calm dog. Obviously, he's been a bit stressed at times, but overall, for his first day, I think he's doing well.
You have been a very, very good boy. Yes, you deserve a treat. Okay, sit. No, okay, you don't know how to sit. Wait. Good boy. There it is. Good boy. I'm so proud of you. Oh, you're in a playful mood now. Finally, you're showing personality. Only within 2 days.
Are you ready for your breakfast? Oh, I hope you're gonna enjoy.
Hello, Falcor. We just want to make him realize that this whole space is open for him. Come on. Okay, let's not say anything. Let him go to the sausage at his own pace. This is a safe space for you, okay? There's nothing to be worried about. Nothing to be worried about, my love. Is you comfortable? You're such a good boy. Look at how nice his collar is. This is Lord Falcor. Oh. The collar suits you, Falcor. It suits you.
So now we're putting his harness on for the first time, and I don't know if he knows what this means. But let's. Yeah, he looks excited. He's like, what is this on me?
Falcor. What's happening? What's that?
Don't worry, you are free to move. He thinks he can't move. Come on. Yes.
Start walking.
Walk Joe now.
Okay, I'm gonna give him a treat because he's been good.
Yeah. Give him a treat now. He's not gonna sit. Oh, well done. Oh, yes.
We're gonna try to see how he reacts to the training lead. Okay, let's see how you react. You always.
He does not like the training lead yet. Okay. No problem, Falcor. No pressure. Yeah, he doesn't want this.
Yeah. So you can see the big fat bird in the garden. And this one is completely unfazed by it. You don't have chasing instinct? Nah.
No,
Falcor.
No. No, Falcor. Down. Good boy. No, Falcor. Fishy. No. Oh, are we gonna hear his first bark? That was like a semi-bark. We haven't heard him bark yet.
Falcor. You're not gonna revenge pee or anything, are you? No. Nah. Wow, this is the first time I've seen him grab something as if it was a toy, and it's my sock. What are you doing, Falcor? Your playful side is slowly coming out. Slowly.
It is time for Falcor's first walk. Falcor, welcome. Welcome out.
You all have keys?
Falcor, my love, it is time to go for a walk. Come, Falcor. Okay, we're gonna start walking.
Yeah, you should do it.
So we're gonna try switching to a training lead instead and see if that helps. He still doesn't want to walk even with the training lead. And he doesn't even want to treat. So Falcor is not happy with his first walk. He doesn't want to walk, he doesn't even want to treat. So we're just going to try carrying him for a little bit and hopefully take him to the park and see how he likes it there. Och Jan Falcor. Okay, so we've just carried him to the park and hopefully he'll start sniffing around. Nope, still not moving. Well, let's just walk.
Good boy, go explore. Good boy. Good boy, Falcor. Is it a boy or a girl?
She's a she.
Oh, she's a she.
Rescue.
Oh, look at the wagging tail. Good boy. Wow. Oh, another one. No. Milo. Stop it. No. No, Milo. Nope. No, it's okay.
Leave him alone. Come here.
No, it's okay. Good boy. Are you happy?